Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to create a flawless, matte, long stay makeup look for oily skin. The products that I've used today, from my personal experience, I know that they stay for a very long time. And yeah, this makeup is perfect for summertime. It looks so fresh with a hint of color and nude lips, and it's got the slightest amount of glow too. Alright guys, so now let us get started. Ever wanted to switch to natural skincare but worried it'll take ages to see results? Say hello to Ayoga, a game changer in natural skincare. They're all about tapping into nature's finest, sourced from the most potent places around. Today I've got something exciting to share. The Ayoga Kashmiri Saffron Sunscreen with Jasmine. You know the struggle with sunscreen? That annoying white cast and not enough protection, especially against blue light from screens. Well, this sunscreen tackles it all. First off, it's got Kashmiri saffron. It's packed with antioxidants, fighting sun damage and giving your skin that glow we all crave. Also, no more ghostly vibes here. This sunscreen disappears into your skin without leaving a trace. It has SPF 50 and PA+++++. Yep, it's got your back against UVA and UVB rays, plus blue light protection for all those hours in front of screens. Especially if you're like me, spending hours in front of the laptop, then it's going to be a magic product for you. And of course, it's for everyone, oily skin included. It's lightweight and non-greasy, perfect for daily use. So if you want a sunscreen that's got your back and leaves your skin glowing, give Ayoga a shot. Trust me, it's a game changer, guys. Use coupon code SUSH2024 to get a 10% off on ayoga.in, and these are also available on Amazon, Nykaa, Myntra, Flipkart, and Purple. Everything will be mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Since we got our skin prepped, now let's get started with the video. So the first important step to use is a mattifying primer. This will make sure that your skin stays matte throughout and also stays for a long time. So the primer I'm going to use is the Smashbox Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer. This has got a very nice texture. It feels like silk on your face. So I just apply it on my pores, like on my cheeks, on my nose. Because people who have oily skin, they secrete oil in these areas. You can apply it on spots, or you can also apply it on your whole face. Next, I'm going to wear my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am in the shade 3W1 Tawny. This foundation is great if you have oily skin. It just melts into the skin after application. So if you have oily skin, the key is to use as less product as possible. Next, I'm going to use the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium Warm Golden, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. It's a really long stay concealer. It does not crease under your eyes. Next, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. I'm using the shade 220 Natural Beige. I'm just going to take a little bit on my beauty blender, dust it at the back of my hand, and then apply it under my eyes. Now, if you want, you can powder your face on areas like on your chin, or on your nose, or on your forehead. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. And I'm just going to fill in my brows wherever I have less hair. I'm just going to fill in. I'm using the My Glam Pose, or Posy, I don't know how to pronounce it. Probably it's Pose. So it's My Glam Pose HD Bronzer Duo. And I'm going to take some and apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones. I'm not going to use any cream bronzer or cream blush because we've already applied powder. I'm going for a very light contour. And I'm also going to contour my jawline. Next, I'm going to use this Kiro Glow On Blush Duo in the shade Perfect Pink Fresh Grapefruit. And I'm going to take it, and it's very pigmented, so be very careful. I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. We just need a hint of color, not too much. A little bit on the nose and chin. For the eyes, I am taking the Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. This eyeshadow palette has got beautiful shades from black to a grey to browns to nudes to golden. It's beautiful. So the shade that we are going to take today is this one, this nude shimmery shade. And I am going to apply it all over my eyelids. So it's just going to give us a hint of shimmer on the eyes. Next, I'm going to take this nude shade and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty Pop Eye Style Liner, and this is in the shade Bluebird. It's got a really pretty blue shade. This one is quite long stay and it's transfer proof and smudge proof. So if you have a problem like when you apply any eyeliner, it smudges or it just melts, this will take care of it. So I'm just holding my mirror really close to my eyes and applying it. I love how pigmented this is. It dries really quickly, so you really have to work super fast with this. I love how pigmented this is and how beautiful it looks. For highlighter, I'm going to take the Nykaa Strobe and Glow Highlighter. This is in the shade Glazed Bronze. This is a liquid highlighter. We're just going to take a little bit. We don't want much because I mainly want to keep this makeup look a little bit more towards the matte. I've taken some in my hands and I'll pick it with a brush and then apply it on my cheeks just a little bit, not too much, so that there's a healthy, subtle shine. I don't want any shine more than this. A little bit on my nose, just a little bit, and chin. That's all the shine I want on my face. Also gonna add some in my brow bone area. The mascara I'm going to use is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. This is a really long wear mascara and it is waterproof as well. I'm not going to apply too much mascara, otherwise the blue will not show that much. So I'm just keeping a healthy one coat. I'm going to take a little bit of the liquid highlighter and apply it in the inner corners of my eyes. Just the tiniest amount. Next, I'm going to use the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Gulabi. This is a really pretty shade. During summers, this is my favorite pick. And last but not the least, make sure you apply a setting spray. Today, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Spray. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. Do comment down below what video you want to see next, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.